Alright, so I wasn't able to get this on film, but they're having some kind of like fish festival or something down here. And there's this local woman who's kind of buang, kind of crazy, and she was just literally naked right here, taking like a bath. And everybody, all these people were up on the wall just like egging her on and all that stuff. So it's another day. I just missed getting the footage. That would have been amusing. Although I really couldn't post it anywhere. Hey! It's more fun in the Philippines. Yeah, so there's some kind of festival or something going on today. Oh, it looks like dragon boat races. Somebody said Bahol versus somebody. And they got the course over here. And they got a bunch of boats out. And the crazy woman went somewhere else. So yeah, it looks like it's dragon boat races. And it's really hot, so they're all gonna die of dehydration out there. Damn shame. Dong! Dong! What's going on? Wala ku kabalo. Okay, so the PNP just apprehended the naked woman. They are putting her in the Task Force Sagar vehicle and they are taking her away. Hopefully to get some help, you know. Mental illness on the street is no fun. She's not doing well. But it's also not cool to have like kids around and you're running around naked and stuff and all that. You know? Yeah, they seem to know her. It's like they're going out for coffee or something. I'm sure this isn't the first time they've run into her. She's been around for a little while. It's the famous naked woman of Dumaguete. Adios. Okay, now back to the boat race, which has been totally superseded by the naked woman situation. Alright, back to work. Alright, yeah, I just said it was totally superseded, and you can see all the people that were standing here to watch the boat race went over to see the naked woman get arrested, and now the dragon boat contestants are paddling out. Paddling furiously. I wish I had brought my Sony because it's got telephoto. And I can't tell if I'm covering up the microphone or not. There's a yellow boat and a blue boat, a red boat, and one of them is Bahol and one of them is somebody else. So we'll try to get it. Okay, so the musicians are all standing ready. They got the drum band. The boats are lining up. Dumaguete is the yellow boat. Bahol is the red boat. And I have a feeling Dumaguete is going to win today because we have a band with drums.
Salamat sa Jack Angel.
And of course they're selling concessions. And we have sunglasses.
So this is an exhibition between Negros and Bahol women for this dragon boat race.
Alright, so it's women, it's female, the Negros women's team versus the Bahol women's team, I think. We'll find out.
Go! Yeah, thank you so much for participating in this event. Our women.
Bahol's in the lead. They're in the red boat. Dumaguete's in the yellow boat. Everybody's paddling hard, fast, and furious. The band's going. Let's go, Dumaguete! No! No! Bahol's in the lead! No! Come on, Negros! Go! 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 going to be a photo finish. But they're doing a whole lot better than I would. Bahol wins.
Thank you and congratulations to all our women for supporting also this first ever Dragon Boat Race competition. We have our Bohol team and Negros team. Thank you so much.
Yay.
So for the final round, Kaling Dagan and Bohol Paddlers Team A. For the lead one,
That's all right.
Bohol Paddlers.
It's not whether you win or lose.
Salamat kayo.
It's how many pairs of sunglasses you can buy.
So this is now the final round.
Voila! I got some. You sold me some. I bought these from you.
For me?
I bought them from you. Alright, so let's head over My Philippine Dreams. We're gonna go buy some sunglasses. So we'll see you later. How do you want to take a picture of this? Buwang? Buwang ko.